Of all the companies in the health and wellness industry, perhaps none has higher quality standards than Calavita International. We carefully develop and refine our products through the latest, most advanced scientific nutritional research. We use only the finest pharmaceutical-grade raw materials obtained from all natural sources, and we constantly test to ensure the potency and freshness of the active ingredients. And we control every step of the environmentally friendly production and quality control process. The result is the finest quality nutritional supplements money can buy. This is what our distributors and customers have come to expect from the Calavita name since 1991. All Calavita products are based on natural ingredients that have been scientifically formulated to provide the optimum ratios of active ingredients to maximize effectiveness. All minerals are chelated to increase metabolic utilization, and our vitamins use time-release, continuous absorption technology. Our wide range of supplements offer something for the health needs of every age group, including special needs groups and multivitamin products tailored specifically for the needs of each blood type group. The BioHarmonX device brings the future to the present by using bioresonance to help stimulate the body's own self-healing process. Calavita's range of cosmetic and skincare products make sure that your skin and hair also get the proper treatment.